Students, we have started uh, lesson number 2 in economics. Moving further in that lesson, meaning of economic development. Uh, Last time we have discussed about the economic growth. Now economic development. Economic development, there is an increase in the real national income and real per capita income. Basic thing is national income और per capita income economic development में increase होती है. It is not just about quantitative changes but also about qualitative changes. Development is different from growth. What is considering the economic growth? Only quantitative changes, but in economic development quantitative and qualitative both changes are considered. Okay, it's a big concept, broad concept. It is a multi-dimensional process. Yes, this is the definition of economic development. Moving further in definitions, economic development is a multi-dimensional process. Michael Todero has given this definition. Economic development is a multi-dimensional. Because why multi-dimension? Because except production, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, population, different types of aspects considered in economic development. That's why it's called multi-dimensional process. Huh? Not a single point. Economic development is a process which increase the factors of production and create change in the technique of production due to per capita income continuous increasing and the standard of living continuous rises irrespective of whether population remains constant or increases. So many things in economic development. Second definition. First is factors of production, and the technology of production has been changed in economic development. Per capita income continuously increasing in economic development. Standard of living continuously rising in economic development. This is the basic thing, standard of living. Irrespective of whether population remains constant or increasing. Okay, population is also increasing. आबादी भी बढ़ती जा रही है economic development में. This definition is given by matched up. Okay, there are two definitions, Michael Todero and matched up. Characteristics. Continuous process. Economic development is a continuous process. This characteristics has been asked in 3 marks. Okay, you have to explain all 7 points in brief. What type of continuous process? Economic development is a fast in an initial stage, but after some time it becomes slow, steady. Okay, day by day it is growing. Change in demand. Which type of demand? In economic development, people getting earning or per capita income is increasing. So people are demanding various types of things. Okay, variety of things. So their demand is changing. Labor become more dynamic. How become dynamic? Because in economic development, education level is increasing, standard of living is increasing. Due to education or high education, labor are become skilled or dynamic. Okay, increases capital formation. ओके, इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट और जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है वहाँ पे कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन बढ़ता जा रहा है. इन्वेस्टमेंट आर गोइंग, है ना. लोग वहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज और प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज चेंजिंग. ओके, चेंज इन टेक्नोलॉजी. यस, इन डेवलपमेंट कंट्रीज और in the process of development, new technology is innovative. Okay, new technology is brought by developed countries. Okay, so in economic development, change in technology. Quantitative and qualitative changes. Two types of major changes, quantitative as well as qualitative. Because in economic development, people want qualitative goods, services. So there are two types of production is also changes and its quality is also changing. After a particular stage, development becomes self-motivating. Yes. In this last characteristic, you just mention in a one sentence. Okay, you don't not have to brief in 7 point. आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेज, एक स्टेज ऐसा आता है कि जैसे जब इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट होता ही रहता है धीरे धीरे, स्लोली, ग्रेजुअली. ओके, तो आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेज डेवलपमेंट बिकम अ सेल्फ मोटिवेटिंग. अपने आप ही उस एक स्टेज आता है कि नहीं, हमें आगे बढ़ना है, हमें आगे बढ़ना है, हमें आगे बढ़ना है. वी आर इम्प्रूविंग, वी आर इम्प्रूविंग, वी नीड इम्प्रूवमेंट. ओके, इट्स कॉल्ड सेल्फ मोटिवेटिंग. So we have taken meaning of economic development, definitions of economic development by given Michael Todero and Matchlock, and characteristics of economic development. You should be asked in 3 marks. All 7 points you have to explain. Okay, thank you.